Hello guys, my name is Anna Lonkina. I'm a professional belly dancer and teacher. Today I will tell you how to do hip pulls. First of all, mind your correct stretched posture. Then sit a bit in plie, keep your coccyx down and bend knees one after the other, trying to pull one hip inside as if it's a drawer in a closet. See, I even tried to pull a hip bone to my ribs. This movement won't work if your coccyx is up. Moreover, you can do hip pulls standing on high heels, moving to sides, front, back, and so on. But it shouldn't influence the position of your heels, which means they don't move whenever you're up or down. Also, you need to stretch oblique muscles. You'll handle it with help of such preparative stretching tilts. If you speed up with hip pulls, it's gonna look like shimmy, one of shimmy types. Also, hip drops, Maya's pelvic circles are based on hip pulls. Hip pulls are like basic skill which is extremely necessary to do all other difficult belly dance movements. So first, learn this, practice a lot. You will handle it for sure, and later keep on with all other basic elements.